Hello everyone, today I'm going to tell you about how to create your own token in the blockchain on the dDigitalGene platform. And I'll briefly mention what this platform is all about. dDigitalGene is a cyber aggregate consisting of 5 modules. The first module is the creation of your own crypto tokens, meaning you can essentially create your own cryptocurrency here, if you put it that way, simply speaking. The second module is creating a landing page in a Web 3.0 environment. The third cyber store where you can buy goods for cryptocurrency, that is for the same tokens, for example, that you will create here. The fourth is crypto exchange, where you can trade these tokens for each other. And the fifth, there's also a referral program with very interesting, tasty conditions. And this video will talk about the first module, that is about creating your own tokens on the blockchain. Literally, anyone can do this with a few clicks, and you'll probably ask immediately why create your tokens at all. After all, there are already quite a lot of them, so what to do with them? And here you can basically highlight several points. That is, the first point is that your tokens are needed to create decentralized applications. Tokens also allow for secure, transparent transactions because all information about payments, transfers, transactions can be freely viewed in the blockchain. Blockchain and your tokens ensure the reliability and integrity of data, but this is the technology of blockchain itself. That is, this is its essence. Like you could say, elimination of censorship and control by third parties, opportunity to participate in voting and making collective decisions. With tokens you can conduct some sort of voting, for example, and the like. Also, your own token, your ecosystem based on a token extends the functionality and possibility of the internet as a whole, and accordingly much more. To start working and create your own token, you will need to register on the platform first to do it. To do this, click on the create token button, throws us into such a menu. Here you will need to come up with a nickname, write it down, indicate your current email box, create a password, confirm the password, provide an invitation code. You can enter such a code for the invitation. Leave the box checked that you agree with the terms of use, fill in all the fields, crack the captcha, and then click on the create account button, and it will be sent to your email. An email will be sent to your mailbox. An email with a link that you will need to follow and confirm your account. After completing these 2 steps, you are registered on the service and can log in here. I will log into my personal account, which I registered in advance, and we will continue. On your screens, you're currently seeing the personal account on this platform. So within the context of this video, I repeat, I'm showing the first module, that is the module for creating your own tokens. What needs to be done for this? To create your token, you need to press the token creation button. That is, it is right here at the top. Let's press it. It redirects us to the menu where we will need to choose the name of our token. Let's create a token right now. Let's call it that. Token quantity is the amount of tokens being issued. Let's leave it at 100,000 for now. Number of decimals is the digit amount, 6. Here we choose the network, that is, we have several networks available. These are Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, Polygon, Tron and Ton. The Open Network, Telegram Network. Let's start with BNB, for instance. For this, we will also need to enter our wallet from this network here. I recommend using MetaMask wallet. It will be required. Additionally, install it before all these manipulations. You can install it as an extension, that is, here it is installed. To add as my network here, we open G extension, go here, there will be an add network button. We click on it, it switches us to the menu word Aishay. And here from the list, you will just need to find the desired network. That is, they have this Binance, so here will be Binance. I don't have it now because I already added the network in advance. Also, for this platform, if you want to create in the Polygon, there will be a Polygon here. We're adding a network here, done literally in a few clicks, and we're back. After this, in MetaMask, we must not forget to switch the network to the necessary one. In my case, it is Binance, and I changed to Binance, and here we copy. Here's the wallet from here. Copied here, inserted all wallet, inserted all the rest, filled in, click on the create token button. The entered data is being checked. On the next page, we are offered to pay for the token issue. That is, you can pay with cryptocurrency as well as with bank cards issued in Russia and bank cards issued in countries such as Turkey, India, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan. The cost of issuing this token with a quantity of 100,000 costs $25. Let's try to pay with cryptocurrency. Click choose, that is select. It redirects us to such a payment gateway. And here we can pay with Bitcoins, Ethers, USDT, Trons, Litecoins. Let's, for example, choose Rights RC20. We must enter our email here and then press the continue button. Next, we will need to transfer funds to this wallet. You can do it via QR code. That is, after payment, you are taken to the next window. Click on create token, SMTKN in my case. And this is where the generation of this token happens. It takes some time. Let's wait. And so my token was successfully created. Such a message appears. We can check this token in the blockchain. Go here. Yes, we look. Smart contract, that is hashes. Everything can be viewed here. You can also add a token to the Web3 wallet or just go back into the My Tokens window. Let's return here and let's see where it appeared. Click down. Actually, here it is SM token. A contract like this one has been created with 100,000 in quantity. Now let's quickly go over the other networks, meaning I'm moving on to token creation again. Let's create a token now in another network. Let's pick some other name. For instance, something like this. Here we choose another network, for example, let it be Polygon. Don't forget that we need to change the network in our MetaMask. We select the Polygon here, copy the wallet address and paste it here. We click on create the token. Next up, the process is similar, meaning we will need to make a payment. The token issuance fee, that is, we choose the appropriate payment method. Let's choose one, for example now, Russian cards, that is, it redirects us to the Kiwi payment gateway. Here we pay, we enter our card, and then it redirects us back to the verification page that is confirmed by the token issuance respectively. But I won't pay now. Let's go back, let's look at the creation of other tokens here in other networks. I'll tell you quickly. Again, token creation. What other networks do we have here? We also have Tron and Ton network. Let's take a look at Tron again. Tokens in TRC20 and Tron networks are added in the same way. That is, we remove the name again. We choose and the symbol, we fill it in as we want. Here we choose the desired network, that is either Tron or Tone. Let's choose Tron for instance, but pay attention here, we can't add the TRC20 to MetaMask, that is the wallet. In other words, the wallet address, you'll need to take it somewhere else, not in MetaMask. We fill in here just like this and press create token. Accordingly, everything in Tone is done exactly the same way. Only here in Tone you can also add a logo. You can provide a description for this token and specify the wallet address accordingly. All other steps are the same. I won't show it now, just to avoid confusion. This video, and regarding Tone, I haven't said yet, the wallet must belong to you. That is, you can create wallets on Tone Hub platforms, for example, or Tone Keeper. That is, we create here, register everything as usual, copy the wallet address and paste it into the corresponding field when creating a token. And don't forget that we also have the opportunity to issue a token on the Ethereum network. Similarly, everything is done here. I'll repeat it once again. We're returning back to my account. Just to repeat, all the tokens you've issued, you'll find them right here. For issuing tokens for payment, you also accrue tokens like love, dislike. You can get them for this and they will take you to the ball. So let's summarize. Creating your own token in the blockchain will help you develop your activities. Some business, for example, creating environmentally friendly commercial models, increasing its effectiveness, and you can also use the token for various purposes within your ecosystem. I will leave the link in the description under this video. Also, you will see a QR code on your screens which you can use to go and see additional information. That's all. Goodbye, everyone.